Welcome back to Maths class. Today also we'll continue with the chapter linear inequation. And today also we'll be doing one problem. So let's see the question. Solve the following linear inequation and represent the solution set on a number line. And the linear inequation given is minus 2 5 by 6 less than 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2 where x element of w and w is a set of all whole numbers, that is set 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So here we have a linear inequation which contains two inequality signs. One is less than and one is less than or equal to. And first we have to split this linear inequation as we did in the last problem. We have to split this linear inequation into two linear inequations and we have to connect them by AND. So let's begin with writing the given linear inequation. That is, we have given the linear inequation 2 5 by 6 less than 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 which is less than or equal to 2 where x element of and w. So here we have a mixed fraction here, and this mixed fraction we can just convert it into an improper fraction. So this will become 2 into 6 is 12 and 12 plus 5 is 17. So minus 17 by 6 which is less than 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 which is less than or equal to 2. So in the first step I just converted this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. And now we can split this linear inequation into two. That is, negative 17 by 6 is less than 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 and this linear inequation also says that 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 2. So that we can written as another linear inequation. So add 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2. Now as we did in the last problem, in the first linear inequation you have to take all the terms which contains x on the right hand side and the terms which do not contain x on the left hand side. Here in the first linear inequation the term contains x is already on the right hand side, and here we have 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 we have to take it to the left hand side. So this will become negative 7 by 6 1 by 2. It is positive. When we take it to the left hand side it will become negative 1 by 2. Sorry, minus 1 by 2. Then which is less than negative 2x by 3. And for the second linear inequation we have to keep the term which contains x on the left hand side and all the other terms to the right hand side. Here the term contains x is minus 2x by 3 which is already in the left hand side. So we have to take this 1 by 2 to the other side. So this will become negative 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2. It is positive 1 by 2. When we take it to the other side it will become minus 1 by 2. Now here we have negative 7 by 6 minus 1 by 2. This we have to cross multiply like this. 17 into 2, that is negative 34. Then minus 1 into 6 is 6. So we will get negative 40 divided by 6 into 2 is 12. Then which is less than negative 2x by 3. And negative 2x by 3 is less than or equal to, this also we have to cross multiply it. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3 by 2. Here if you look at both the linear inequation you can see that in the first linear inequation the term which contains x has a negative sign. Here also the term which contains x has a negative sign. In that case we have to remove them. And how can we remove them? Yes, we have to multiply both the sides of the linear inequation by negative 1. But we have to remember the property of inequation. That is, when we multiply both the sides of an inequation by a negative number, the inequality becomes reversed. So here I am going to multiply both the sides of this inequation by negative 1. So negative 1 into negative 40 by 12 is 40 by 12, which is greater than negative 2x by 3 become 2x by 3. Similarly, Here also we have to multiply both the side by -1. Then negative 2x by 3 will become 2x by 3, which is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to will become greater than or equal to, then negative 3 by 2. Now we have to isolate x in the right hand side, here x in the left hand side. For that I have to take this 2 by 3 to the left hand side. Then we will get 40 by 12 divided by 2 by 3. How can we divide a fraction by another fraction? To divide a fraction by another fraction, we have to multiply the dividend with the reciprocal of the divisor. Then it will become 40 by 12 into 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So it will become 3 by 2. Then on the right hand side, we left with x. And here also we have to take this 2 by 3 to the other side. Here 2 by 3 is multiplied with x. So when we take 2 by 3 to the other side, it will become negative 3 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. That is, we have to multiply negative 3 by 2 by the reciprocal of 2 by 3. That is 3 by 2. Then we will get x greater than or equal to negative 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now we will just cancel the common factors from here. We will get 5. When we simplify this one, we will get 5, which is greater than x, and x is greater than or equal to, this will become minus 9 by 4. So now we got 5 greater than x and x greater than or equal to negative 9 by 4. That is 5 greater than x and x is greater than or equal to 9 by 4 is 2.5. So negative 2.5. This two linear inequation I can combine like this. Negative 2.5, which is less than or equal to x, but x is less than 5. And x should be an element of the set of all whole numbers. And which are the whole numbers which comes in between negative 2.5 and 5? Yes. Therefore, the solution set is equal to the whole numbers which is greater than or equal to negative 2.5 and less than 5 are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the solution set of the given linear inequation. And we are also asked to represent the solution set on a number line. It is very easy. For that, just draw a number line. And just circle the numbers.